Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to hide following list on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide your following list on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app. But before we proceed guys, do make sure to subscribe to my channel because it gives me a lot of support. And from this interface guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon. Tap on it. And again on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three lined icons. Tap on that three lined icon. And over here again scroll down until you can find account privacy. Tap on account privacy. And over here guys, you need to know a thing, that is, in order to hide your following list on Instagram, you will be required to make your account private. Then only your following list will be hidden on Instagram. So to do that guys, you can see the toggle icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it and then your account will be private and your following list on Instagram will be hidden. And there guys, this is how to hide following list on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.